Hey guys, Akil Stokes here. It's been a while, but back with a cool video. I want to share with you something we looked at in our live trading room today, and it comes on the Nasdaq. Now, the Nasdaq has been very directional, right? In the past, I shared with you some pretty cool trend continuation opportunities, looking to take advantage of pullbacks, relief patterns, and catch those next extensions up. We've done a very good job at that. And if you look at your chart, you can see the extensions have gotten smaller and smaller, which leads us into a period of kind of indecision, consolidation. And it wouldn't surprise me if we saw a little bit of that choppiness form on the charts. And well, something to look for within the choppiness is something called advanced pattern formations. Now, advanced pattern formations aren't as frequent or prevalent or as profitable typically on very directional moving indices, but we've seen them work a lot in the past as well, especially during periods of consolidation. So if you can ID these periods of consolidation, these are going to be some pretty good opportunities to make some profit. And we have two of them setting up, a smaller one that may lead to a bigger one. So let's hop in. Our first one is going to be a potential Gartley pattern. I'll kind of keep this video short and just draw out what it looks like instead of going through it step by step. But we're looking for an X to A, a swing high to swing move, this directional move right here, an A to B right here, our retracement, a failed extension down, which is going to be our B to C. And for our D leg, we're looking for a move up to our 127 extension. That 127 extension is taken from the low of the A leg to the high of the B leg. And that's going to give us a nice completion zone right here with stops above our X leg, which is our previous level of structure resistance. Now, if we zoom out a bit, again, this is a selling opportunity. If we zoom out a little bit, we have a secondary pattern setting up as well. This is going to be called a Cipher pattern, right? I'm going to shortcut this again and just take a Fibonacci retracement from my starting point, my low of the pattern, to my high of the pattern, so measuring out these extremes. And a Cipher pattern looks like this. We have an X to A, swing low to swing high, an A to B, little short retracement right here. A B to C is our normal extension in the trend. And then our CD completion is going to come right down here to our 786. Again, that's that Fibonacci retracement that I took from the very low of the pattern right here to the very high of the pattern up there. And once again, we're going to have a nice little zone right here of our entry. So the cool thing about what may happen here is that, well, if this Gartley pattern completes and we do get that bearish directional move, right? I don't necessarily expect it to go down here. I wouldn't place targets. I'd keep the targets within this range, obviously. Or maybe not obviously, that's what I would do. But if you're someone that's looking for extended targets, right? This could rally all the way down here, complete the cipher, and then you can look for a move right back up again as we kind of play this back and forth game off of previous levels of resistance, previous levels of support, kind of like a typical kind of channel type trade. So you see these channel trades happen all the time where price bounces off of levels of support and resistance. And many of the time you're looking for, how can I get involved? What can I do to get involved? If you're someone that is familiar with harmonic patterns, advanced pattern formations, as we call them here at Tier 1 Trading, these are excellent opportunities to get involved within those chops, even if they don't hit the very extremes of the move. So check it out. Let me know what you think. If you have any questions or comments, leave it below. And I wish you guys the best in the rest of your trading week. Big news coming out this week. So we'll see how the markets continue to move.